I was driving home in the night. Then I saw these people pushing the car. I ended up with amputation and long process of recovery for the left leg. My name is Yevhenii Arsiri. I wanted to live in Fort Lauderdale, and I moved there and I started settling my life. It was just 2 months. I had a car accident. I was sandwiched between 2 cars. I ended up with 2 broken legs, and in the process of doctors was trying to save them, one of the legs got sepsis and they needed to amputate it. I ended up with amputation and long process of recovery for the left leg. I was driving home in the night. Then I saw these people pushing the car. And then I thought that maybe I should help them. And then I saw a parking space immediately. So I dropped my car off and ran to them and asked for, if you need help. So he was pushing the car, talking about things. And then I remember I saw the light and then I slowed down. I turned back and then I saw a car. It was the first car. So they slowed down and drove around us. And then I was like, okay. So I was pushing, and then I saw another light, and then I thought probably they're gonna drive around us. This is why I didn't look back. And the other person looked back. So they jumped out, and I didn't. I got hit from the back really hard. I was so, I couldn't believe it, how painful it was. I fell on the ground, and then I looked at my legs, and I realized that it's very serious. It was just only holding on the soft tissue. It was difficult, and basically nobody wanted to do it. Nobody wants to do the case because the possibilities are not so bright. Most of the companies was like, you need to call this place and that place, and then maybe we will take part. My sister-in-law have a friend, and he recommended Matthew, and Matthew contacted us back. And I'm very thankful that he agreed to work on my case. We was expecting for the person to get punished that did it, and for the compensation, and he did an amazing job from his side. It was easy. It was easy to understand. It was comfortable. It was professional, and he was very professional and explained everything. And he was contacted our family all the time as soon as there was any information, and he explained it very well so we could understand what's going on. Because you know the law language is for me, I'm the immigrant, and I know the language of basic communication. But he if there was serious terms, he explained it in simple words, so we understood it. It's a big help. Even though my medical bills are above $1 million now, the compensation that we was able to get is very helpful for family and to cover necessities at the moment. So we had a hearing a couple of weeks ago. I felt like I need to participate, and I participated, and I told my story from my side, what I went through. And the final hearing is going to be on February 21st. But actually, from the beginning, I had a feeling that, this feeling of justice, it was, the justice is done. At least the person is caught. I would give the advice that don't give up. Everything will pass. This challenge will make you stronger. If you don't die, if you didn't pass away in the moment, it means that you have to be here. And you have to be here and do the job and communicate with people and heal. Your example, your situation can be helpful for someone. It can be life-changing. For example, my situation, what happened to me, touched not only me, it was a lot of people who was absolutely shocked. And just keep pushing. Everything's gonna be okay. I want to say that I'm very thankful for their job, for their advices, for the information. I actually didn't know how things work in these situations, but they was able to help me, and I'm thankful for that.